These guys are describing the Amazon or Google services. I mean, who do you see as the ideal candidate to buy that kind of infrastructure product?
I'm probably a lot more bullish on those. I mean, I would say we do a lot of early stage companies. I think Amazon posted some amazing statistic now about the number of companies that are using either S3 or EC2, and it's an amazing amount of growth in the hundreds of thousands of entities. We found them to be a huge win. I think the premium you might pay, and I would challenge whether you are paying a premium, the value you get around variabilized capacity is just tremendous. And the elimination of so much system administration costs is pretty huge. And I don't know of a startup who isn't really, trying to consume those type of services. It's funny, I was on the train ride up this morning for one of our newest companies in the senior care space, which you would think is not a high-tech space. I was trying to add up the number of cloud-based services we've used so far to construct the service, and I stopped at about 21. And that's kind of like the modern way of building services now. Now, I would say those best practices start out in more early stage companies who are willing to take more risk. But I see enterprises, stepping into that space as well. And, so I would say that's where you're going to see more behavioral change over the next 5 years or so. I think you're going to see more embracing of these hosted services by the Fortune 500.
Okay.